And welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi and network problems in MacBook. So let's get started. Fixing Wi-Fi and network problems on a MacBook can involve several troubleshooting steps. So here is a guide to help you address common issue. First, open the Wi-Fi settings in your MacBook and simply click on the Wi-Fi you are connected in. Then go to the details of your Wi-Fi. Then inside the details, make sure that you have not enabled any proxies there. Then simply click on the Forget this network. Forgetting Wi-Fi networks and re-entering passwords can help resolve temporary glitches or issues related to network settings. So go back to your Wi-Fi and connect it again. This action can clear out any temporary glitches or misconfigurations that may be causing connectivity problems. So after you connect your Wi-Fi, go to details and check on DNS. Make sure you have DNS 888. 888 refers to utilizing Google's public DNS servers. These servers are commonly used as alternative DNS servers when troubleshooting network issues or aiming to potentially faster or more reliable DNS solution. Then simply restart your MacBook. Restarting your MacBook is a simple and effective troubleshooting step that can help address a wide range of issues and keep your system running smoothly. After you restart your MacBook, then hold on the Option keyboard and tap on Wi-Fi together. Then click on the Open Wireless Diagnostics and continue with the process. Then it can help diagnose and troubleshoot Wi-Fi and other network related issues. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.